Okay, let's just jump right in. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a device that's designed to untangle, well, one of the biggest digital knots in modern AV systems. We're looking at the Blustream BLUARC. It's an HDMI, Bluetooth audio extractor, and embedder.
Yeah, and that's a mouthful. But what it really is, it's a kind of traffic cop for your audio signals.
So our mission here is to figure out why a box like this even needs to exist. It's all about routing audio where you've got high-res video, right?
Exactly. Think of it as a digital translator.
Mm-hmm.
What's really fascinating is that it can embed audio into an HDMI stream.
So like from a microphone or another source.
And at the very same time, it can pull audio out of that stream and send it to, well, almost anywhere else. Hails both directions at once.
Okay, so let's get into the weeds on that versatility. You're talking about, what, 5 different kinds of audio inputs?
That's right. You've got your standard embedded HDMI audio. You have your classic LR analog.
And optical, Bluetooth,
Yeah.
and the really important one, HDMI ARC.
Yes, ARC. That's the key for a lot of modern setups. Audio return channel. It lets your smart TV, with its Netflix or Hulu apps, send audio back down the HDMI cable.
Back to a soundbar or a receiver.
Precisely. So the BLUARC grabs that audio, which can be up to 5.1 channel Dolby or DTS, and then lets you write it concurrently.
Hold on, 5 inputs and what, 4 outputs all running at the same time? Isn't that, I mean, who actually needs that much complexity?
You'd be surprised. It's all about flexibility. You might take audio from your main HDMI source or from the TV's ARC signal, and then you can send it simultaneously to 3 different places.
Like where?
To your optical digital port, to an older amplifier using the analog LR outputs, and even to a pair of Bluetooth headphones, all at once.
And speaking of that Bluetooth, this isn't just basic wireless streaming, is it?
Not at all. It's Bluetooth 5.0. It supports some really high-quality codecs, like aptX, aptX LL for low latency and aptX HD.
So are we talking super fast for gaming, or is this more about pristine music quality?
It's mostly about the quality. That aptX HD gives you high-fidelity stereo audio, up to 24-bit. It's a huge deal if you want to integrate a wireless zone into a high-end wired system.
Okay, but all this complex audio routing is kind of useless if it chokes the main video signal, right?
That is the crucial question. Why does an audio box need to care so much about 4K video quality? And the answer is just seamless integration.
It has to be invisible in the signal chain.
Exactly. It passes through HDMI 2.0B, which is 18 gigabits per second. That means 4K UHD at 60 hertz, full 4.4.4 color HDR. It makes sure the audio solution never, ever compromises your video.
And it also passes through the big pro audio formats I see, like Dolby Atmos and DTS HD Master Audio.
Yep. So if you have a high-end sound system further down the line, this device is definitely not the bottleneck.
Now, if we look at the control side of things, this seems like it's aimed at more than just a simple living room setup.
Well, absolutely. It has front panel buttons, sure, but also IR, RS-232, TCP/IP, a WebGI. The list goes on.
GPIO and CEC too.
Right. That huge list tells you this box is designed to be installed and then forgotten about. It's meant to be controlled by a third-party automation system, like in a complex home or even a commercial space.
So let's tie this all together for you listening. This deep dive really shows that the BLURC isn't just a simple splitter. It's a digital hub that does all the dirty work.
It's a bridge. It brings together your legacy analog gear, your modern digital sources, and wireless Bluetooth all under one roof, while keeping your video pristine.
A comprehensive solution.
But I think its true value lies in something you don't always see on the surface. The specs mention support for HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 and advanced EDI management.
The digital handshake stuff.
Exactly. That's the insurance policy. So the final thought for you, the learner, is this. How often are those hidden compliance features, the things that guarantee the signal actually works, the real defining factor for the success of your entire AV system?